Hi, welcome to the short video on Quora Digest, a feature offered by the popular question and answer platform Quora. In this video, I will explain what is Quora Digest, what are the benefits of using it, and how you can enable it in your Quora account. This video is sponsored by QA Pop, a Quora marketing tool that you can use to discover the best questions on Quora. It will suggest you the latest trending questions based on your niche, and you will be able to reach a wider audience on the platform. It has also AI features that helps you answer the question within minutes. You can also use this tool to track non-answer questions with hundreds of views. If you want to market your brand and increase your presence on Quora and drive potential traffic and leads, do check out this QA Pop tool. You can sign up for free and upgrade to paid plans if you want to unlock advanced features. You can use the code key2blogging20 to get 20% discount on the premium plan purchase. Do check out this tool, the link is given in the description. So let's start the video. Quora Digest is a weekly email that Quora sends to its users summarizing the most popular and relevant questions and answers on the platform. The digest is personalized to each user based on their interest and the topics they follow on Quora. One of the main benefits of Quora Digest is that it helps users stay up to date with the latest development and discussions in their areas of interest. By providing a curated selections of the most popular and relevant content on Quora, the digest saves users the time and effort of having to browse the platform and search for interesting content themselves. Another benefit of Quora Digest is that it can help users discover new topics and questions that they may not have come across before. The digest often includes question and answer on a variety of topics, which can help users expand their knowledge and learn about new things. Now let's check how you can enable Quora Digest in your account. So to enable Quora Digest, you need to click on the profile icon here and then click on the settings here. Now you will see different options in the left menu. Here you need to select the email and notification tab here. Now here you need to scroll down to the bottom and here you will see this option Quora Digest. So you can enable Quora Digest by clicking on the button here. Then you can set the digest frequency. So here you can see three options. First one is H available. So Quora will send you emails randomly. So whenever the top storage is available, the Quora will send you to your email box. Or you can set it as daily. So Quora will send you a daily email to your email box, or you can set it as weekly. So if you don't want to get the Quora Digest daily, then you can set it as weekly. Now let's check how the Quora Digest looks like. So let me just open the email here, and as you can see that this Quora Digest, the first question is about how to get AdSense approval, and then here it has suggested different topics like Chrome extensions, and here you can see that it is easy to monetize a YouTube channel. So if I go to my profile here, so let's click on profile here. And let me just scroll down, and here you can see that the interest here, and here I have said something like Google AdSense, YouTube. That's why it is suggesting some topics regarding YouTube and AdSense. So in this way you can get questions that are trending in your niche, and you can read more about the topic, or if you know the answer, then you can submit your answer and reach to more audience. So in this way you can promote your website or promote your services by providing the answer to this question. Now let's check how you can get rid of Quora Digest. So if you don't want to receive emails, then you can also uncheck it by going to the email and notification settings, and here you can disable the Quora Digest. Or you can disable the Quora Digest by going to the email itself, and here you need to scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see this option, please unsubscribe. So you can click on the unsubscribe button to disable the Quora Digest from here. In conclusion, Quora Digest is a valuable feature for users of the platform who want to stay up to date with the latest discussions and development in their areas of interest. By providing a personalized selection of the most popular and relevant content on Quora, the digest saves users time and help them discover new topics. I hope you have found this video helpful. So make sure to hit the like button, and if you have any doubt regarding this topic, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.